In this video, I'm going to teach you how to sell an ebook using Stan Store. So in order to do that, you first need to head over to their website, which is www.stan.store. From in there, proceed to sign up by clicking on the sign up option that we can see right here. Now you can also click on discontinue in order to do so. Now let's proceed to actually log in since I already have an account. Now here is my actual Stan Store. If you wish to sell an ebook, click on this My Store option. Now from in there, click on this Add Product and choose right here the option. So typically an ebook is considered a digital product. So click on this right here on the digital product option. Into this part, choose in here the style that you wish. It can be a call out, a preview, or a download or button file. Let's choose right here the button file and choose in here the actual image that you want. Add in here a text and click on next. Choose in here the image that you want, description for that, the bottom title, and the likes. For example, you can head over and then add in here the call to action button and set in here a price that you want. Example, let's set it around $19.99. Now upload in here your ebook. You can do so by clicking on this upload or dragging your file from there. Let me head over and drag in here my file. Here is my ebook. Proceed to drag it right here and then it will add it into this. Now click on this publish option in order to publish this ebook into your actual Stan Store. So that's all there is today. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really helps our channel. Thank you so much for watching.